The highest earning freelancers in 2026 all have one thing in common. They use AI to do the work of 3 people while charging for one. Here are the 5 tools that let them do it. Freelancers using AI tools earn 2.4 times more per hour than those who don't, according to a 2026 Upwork report. Not because they charge more, because they deliver faster. Tool 1. Claude for client deliverables. Writing proposals, drafting reports, analyzing data, creating presentations. A project that used to take 8 hours takes 2. You're not replacing quality. You're eliminating the blank page stare and the research rabbit holes. Tool 2. Volt.new for web development freelancers. Build client prototypes in 30 minutes instead of 30 hours. Show a working demo in the first meeting. Clients are blown away, and you close more deals because they can see the product before they pay. Tool 3. Canva AI plus Midjourney for design freelancers. Generate concepts in minutes, refine in Canva, deliver polished work. You can take on 3 times more clients because each project takes a third of the time. Same quality, faster turnaround. Tool 4. Notion AI for managing your freelance business. Track projects, generate invoices, draft client updates, plan your week. AI handles the admin so you can focus on billable work. Every hour freed from admin is an hour you can bill. Tool 5. Otter for client meetings. It joins your calls, transcribes everything, generates summaries and action items. Send the client a polished meeting recap 5 minutes after the call ends. That's the kind of professionalism that gets you referrals. Start with the tool that matches your biggest bottleneck. Links and free trials in the description. Subscribe for more freelancer growth strategies.